Stop obsessing over blueberries. I know, that sounds controversial. For years, we have been told that blueberries are the king of antioxidants. And don't get me wrong, they are good for you. But if you are over 60, your body is dealing with a very specific problem that blueberries alone simply cannot fix. It is called cellular trash. Think of your cells like the engine of a classic car. You have driven this car for decades. Over time, the engine gets a little rusty. Old parts start to break down. Debris clogs up the gears. When this happens in your body, you feel it. You feel tired in the afternoon. You recover slower after a walk. You feel that heaviness of aging. Scientists call this declining efficiency mitochondrial dysfunction. I call it a rusty engine. But there is one specific fruit, one that most people walk right past in the grocery store, that acts like a pressure washer for your cells. It is the pomegranate. And the reason it works isn't magic, it is biology. You see, inside every pomegranate are unique compounds called allagitannins. When you eat them, they travel down to your gut, and here's where the miracle happens. If you have a healthy gut microbiome, your good bacteria take those compounds and convert them into a supermolecule called Urolithin A. Urolithin A is fascinating to researchers right now. Why? Because it triggers a process called mitophagy. That's just a fancy scientific word for taking out the trash. It signals your body to recycle the old, worn-out mitochondria and replace them with fresh, efficient ones. It's literally helping your cells renew themselves from the inside out. So why isn't everyone eating this? Two reasons. First, not everyone can produce that supermolecule. It depends entirely on your gut health. If your gut bacteria are weak, you won't get the full benefit. That is why pairing this fruit with fiber is so critical. Second, and let's be honest here, pomegranates are annoying. They're messy, they stain your fingers. Trying to get those seeds out can feel like you're performing surgery. Convenience often wins over health. But if you want to protect your arteries, support your memory, and reduce that systemic inflammation that makes your joints ache, you need to stop letting convenience decide your diet. So here's the 60-second fix. You do not need to wrestle with the fruit every morning. Go to the store and buy the cup of arils. Those are the seeds, already prepped. Yes, it costs $1 more, but ask yourself, is your energy worth $1? Or drink the juice, but be careful. Pomegranate juice is potent. Treat it like a health shot, not a big glass of lemonade. 2 to 4 ounces diluted with water is all you need. Sprinkle the seeds on Greek yogurt. The protein in the yogurt and the fiber in the seeds create the perfect environment for your gut bacteria to do their work. Now, before you rush out to buy gallons of this juice, I need to give you a serious reality check. Because I'm a researcher, not a salesman, I have to tell you the truth. Pomegranate is powerful, and because it is powerful, it interacts with your body's chemistry. If you are taking blood thinners like warfarin, if you're on blood pressure medication, or if you have complex kidney issues, you must proceed with caution. Pomegranate can change how your liver processes these drugs. It can make your medication too strong or too weak. This doesn't mean you can never have it. It means you need to be smart. You need to ask your doctor, is this safe with my current prescription? Food is medicine, and just like medicine, the dosage matters. So here's my challenge to you this week. Swap the banana or the apple for just a few spoonfuls of pomegranate. Give your body the signal it needs to start cleaning up that cellular rust. Do it for your arteries. Do it for your brain. Do it because you refuse to let your engine slow down without a fight. I'm curious, do you avoid pomegranates because of the mess, or do you drink the juice? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, if nature didn't make it, don't take it. I'll see you in the next video.